Welcome to 1804 Tech Services. We are here to help you figure out your issues and help you whatever help you need for troubleshooting. We're here to troubleshooting our own problem and share with you our findings, and hopefully it can help you guys in achieving your goal and help you on the long run.
I've been having a little problem with my website here. I was noticing that my images were not showing up, and for some reason, I thought it was just on one page, but I realized the images was not showing up, and everywhere that I have image, the images were not displaying. It took me a while to work to figure out what was going on, and I just realized after disabling a lot of other plugins on my website, I finally find out the reason why. It was one plugin in particular, which is Jackpack. Realized that was the plugin that was giving the issue. So, for example, I'm going to show you. I'm going to test it here, but I do have the latest. I do have the latest WordPress version installed, and for some reason I'm not sure if there's something wrong with Jackpack, but for some reason it's not compatible um, with this version. It is up to date too, but let me just quickly run a test so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So, for example, right now I had to deactivate it to make sure that to for the website to work, and I had to update a few of my permission setting on the file permission setting. But either way, if I activate it now, as soon as I activate it, everything, all my pictures just went blank. I'm not sure if it's something else that with Jackpack or with the permission in my file permission, because right now I have it set up where all my images are, most of them are in here. I changed it to zero 07. It was, I think it was 0644, but I did change it to 0755. But still, for some reason, it still wasn't not working. So as soon as I change, I activate Jackpack, all the images just go ahead and disappear. Like for example, right now, see, as soon as it uploaded, none of the images are showing up. Now you see, all my images are blank right now, nothing showing up, all because I just um, activated Jackpack. And if I tried, even if I try to, for example, copy the link and try to do something else with it, it will tell me, of course, I don't have access to it. Cannot complete this request. Data cannot be fetched. I tried to look that up, and when I look it up, it was a whole lot of back and forth I see online, but not I didn't really see any fix for it, right? So I had to go ahead and disable Jackpack completely because it messed up my website completely. As soon as I activated, almost all my images gone. See, everywhere in my website, all the images that I had just gone. Nothing is displaying, and that was happening for a few of my other websites as well. So what I ended up going back and disabling disabling Jackpack. When I realized that was happening, I had to go ahead and disable it. But right now, it is still active. I'm just gonna go ahead and deactivate it. Whichever. Just saying you did that, but it's not working for my website. I don't know if it's something else that they have to update on their end. I'm not sure, but either way, as soon as I activate it, it always messed up my website from the past few days now. And if there's a fix for it, I don't know yet about the fix. Anybody know about the fix? Please comment in below. Let me know what the fix is so I could probably fix my website. Because I would like to have it, but right now, if it's messing my website up, then I can't really have it there. So now, if we go back to the images again, you're gonna see all my images are back up now. But in the beginning, as soon as I activate Jackpack, everything else just crapped out. See now, all my images are showing up now. Yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys the solution, just in case if you're having the same problem right now. See, my images are coming up now. If you're having the same type of problem, you know it's you can't figure it out. Just um for now, I know it's Jackpack that is working, but it might be something else in your website. But it's always the best place to start is the plugin. Start deactivate, especially if you just install a new plugin. The best thing to do is to start deactivating the plugin until you find out which plugin is messing up your website. And right now, as I can show you, Jackpack was jacking me up, was messing up all my stuff, all my images. But anyway, I hope you like the video, like and share, and hopefully subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and come back for more.